Bunk spank, blue. Perfect, you got carb. Yeah, I know, but we have to go left. Wait for Carson. Oh, you know, they're trying to shut it. Oh no, Carson. Wait, stay up, move over so we can get out of the way of people.
I need to just go ahead and turn around.
Yeah, I know, just turn around me. All right, let's stop.
Oh, now we're closing it up.
Yeah, they're closing it up.
Oh, we got it.
We got it.
Can someone just jump the wire?
You could, but they don't. Carson! Good thing we did kamikaze. They're closing it for racing.
Oh, crap.
What?
My buckles.
What'd you do? Good thing we got on kamikaze. They're closing it.
Closing it?
Yeah, they're doing racing on it. It'll be open later, but like they're just closing it for racing. All right, so to get to Al's Alley, we take Haley's Comet. Alrighty. Haley's Comet, Blue Terrain Park. Now heading on Al's Alley. James, just slow down. Wait for us at the bottom of Al's Alley. You ready? Al's Alley, black. I like this. James, don't rush Carson. Let him take his time. Let him go. James, stop. Let him go first. All right, go left, go left, go left. Wacky Way, black. This is a black, by the way. This is a black. This is a black, I know. Oh, you hit the ice rock?
There's a bump in there. See that bump right there?
You know, I see that bump.
Game over. How's the Carson? There's this one bump on the line.
No, but you look solid.
I just need to go on toe turn and I think I'm solid.
Yeah.
Carson, there's this one
Like you can do everything here, I would say, doing that.
Is your OG?
I mean, if you take your time and have confidence in yourself, yes.
Yeah, probably could.
But why?
Like pushing out.
What? What?
I'm muscle start pushing. I cannot be cool enough. Alright, let's go.
All right, let's go. James, he's got to flip like that whenever he's turning. You got to remember that. You got to get out of his way.
How's the Carson?
Just go to the base. We already know where we're going.
Like, I think
I love the Wacky. I like Wacky Way though. Wacky Way's a fun one. Ah, yes. arena again. Go see my other videos with different jumps in the arena, but the arena, Blue Terrain Park. It's not the arena, it's the arena. Oh, this is a good jump. Oh yeah! Oh, not